Our David Hammer investigation in Sure to Lose showed how a Texas law firm has tied up millions of dollars in Louisiana homeowners' insurance claims after recent storms.
And now for the first time, we hear the founding partner's explanation in a secret recording obtained exclusively by Eyewitness News.
State Insurance Commissioner Jim Donelon says the pain inflicted on thousands of Louisiana storm victims by Texas law firm McClenny, Moseley and Associates is, quote, unimaginable.
This is fraud on a level that I've not seen in the legal profession, and I've seen some pretty upsetting things in the decades that I've been around.
2 federal judges and the state Supreme Court have come to similar conclusions, banning MMA from handling any more cases in Louisiana. Last month, MMA founder Zach Moseley declined to speak to us about those rulings. Mr. Moseley, did MMA run a scheme like the court said? And so did his former managing partner for Louisiana, William Huey, who's been suspended from practicing law by the state Supreme Court. Mr. Huey, did you run a scheme to take people's insurance money?
Thank you. No comment, thank you.
But now we've obtained a secret recording of Moseley in March, meeting with his staff in New Orleans.
I'm a Houston guy. I came into New Orleans big and bad. I told everyone to off. I didn't want any help from any New Orleans attorneys, and then they all turned their backs on me, and they're trying to get me in trouble. So that's what happened here.
But in the recording, Moseley also admits many of the actions that have landed him and his firm in hot water, like signing up so many clients that MMA couldn't keep up.
We're just going to be much more controlled in our scale, and not just like be on a rocket ship.
The way we exploded, it seems like.
Yeah, 15,000 claims in less than 2 years. Kind of insane. Yeah. Thought we could do it. Louisiana told me to off.
Or paying an Arizona marketing firm called Velocity to sign up thousands of clients using automated text messages.
We use a company called Velocity to help buy our advertising, generate the leads, convert the leads into signed contracts.
Then he says he has a plan to get around Louisiana's rules on soliciting clients, which ban lawyers from using, quote, employees or agents of the lawyer to solicit on the lawyer's behalf.
Phil is going to build an internal Velocity at our company, so now we don't have to worry about them coming after us for an improper relationship with a third party.
Moseley also admits MMA used an Alabama roofing company called Apex Roofing and Restoration to sign up more clients, and he makes it clear he knew that arrangement skirted the rules.
Apex was a loophole for us. Again, it was my decision to do this. It was my fault. I'll take full responsibility for that.
MMA was actually Apex's lawyer at the time, but the court found at least 850 cases where MMA told insurers it was the customer's lawyer instead. And here's Moseley admitting MMA shouldn't have done that.
If we tell the insurance company we represent the roofing company, they're going to tell us to f*** off, and they're not going to ever negotiate with us. But since we have the rights of the homeowner, let's tell the insurance company we are the homeowner, and that's going to be, they'll negotiate with us quicker.
When we told Jim Donelon what Moseley said, the insurance commissioner was flabbergasted.
That's the most egregious example of misrepresentation I can imagine.
We should have never done that. Lesson learned.
Moseley told his staff MMA wouldn't need any Louisiana attorneys. It could partner with other law firms to keep collecting fees on thousands of Louisiana insurance claims.
We're leaning right now towards filing motions to withdraw on every single case that we have filed, but then we'll just be operating in the background.
Moseley said he was negotiating with another Texas attorney named Michael Watts to keep the lawsuits and the legal fees flowing.
We will still be operating as a litigation firm. It's just when we submit documents, we won't be submitting them to like Pacer. We'll be submitting them to Watts, and then his team will file them. It might even be a case where they give us the right to file with their name on it, we're filing it. It just won't be an MMA filing.
We reached Michael Watts by email. He said he and Moseley, quote, worked to create a solution that would protect Mr. Moseley's clients. Unfortunately, no agreement with Mr. Moseley was attainable.
Certainly, Mr. Watts has learned not to venture into arrangements such as MMA perpetrated And I hope our action will discourage any others considering it as well.
Moseley told his staff that Watts reviewed the court record and said MMA did nothing wrong. But Watts told us, quote, "I made no assessment of MMA's actions. Instead, I focused solely on potential solutions for his clients." Solutions for Louisiana storm victims still wondering where their insurance money went. David Hammer, Eyewitness News.
Moseley and his attorneys did not respond to our requests for comment about the secret recording. Tomorrow on Insured to Lose, David has more revelations from that recording and an interview with a former member of MMA's staff.